Rome has a rich jewelry tradition dating back to the 8th century, beginning with the Romans and Etruscans and continuing to the renovated goldsmith of today. Exploring Rome up close, from visiting its most famous monuments to discovering its hidden corners, is like taking a journey through history. Is it within this extraordinary setting that summer in Jewelry Design Lab comes to life, offering a unique education experience in the Eternal City? The course alternates between practical lesson and visit to jewelry atelier, design studio, museum, and art venues. During the first part of the course, you will be introduced to the basic of technical drawing while visiting Rome's most significant historical site. You will explore the city, sketching, photographing, and interpreting everything that is presented to you under the guidance of qualified teachers. In the second part, you will have the opportunity to try out representation techniques in your latest generation goldsmith laboratory and choose between 3 specializations: wax jewelry making, goldsmith technique, and illustration technique for jewelry. Rome is an extraordinary city that has inspired a generation of artists. We look forward to welcoming you for the captivating journey into history.
Stand up. Okay, what's the plan, huh? Woke up every